cold start. Here we go. I need gas, so I'm gonna go get some gas. Yeah, about to go get some gas. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Oh, it feels good. Don't do it. I'm riding. Seriously. She was ready to pull out and fucking hit me. Not nice. I'm gonna go get some gas at the mobile. Go an extra long route. Getting rear brake. I'm in second gear. Initial pop-up, it just spooks me, but it does come up. Third gear gets up a little bit. I'm not trying fourth because I don't know how to do fourth. Third. So, how do I like my new chain and sprocket set? Well, I love it. Feels amazing. There's torque in every gear. I love it. Shorty's wildin'. Trying to cut people off and shit. of service. Crap. Is this one out of service? Let me go in the shade because it's hot. Which one's which? Diesel? That's diesel. Okay. I think we're good. Alright, let's go. Alright, we are here. I really should get a new cap. Change it out for an aftermarket one. Duh. Makes it more simple. Because I could just, you know, shut off the bike, not let go of the key. Yeah, call it a day. Let's do debit. Insert debit. Here we go. Enter pin. Enter. Remove card. No, I don't care about car wash. Come on. Remove nozzle. 93. You can see the fumes come out. Does anyone else like the smell of gas? Okay, we good on gas now. $12.50 for a tank of gas for a motorcycle. It's not bad. I like it. Does me good. Okay, it's nice out. People are out. Gotta be careful. I'm not sure if they'll see a motorcycle this time of day, but they should. Cops are out. Why is it so smoky? Was there a fire? Oh, did something burn over here? I don't know. Smoke all up in the air. Back to my review. The bike feels lighter, feels more nimble. It's easier to do second gear wheelies. Third gear does come up a couple of inches, maybe a foot, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, if anyone is interested in doing this setup, it's down one in the front, up two in the rear. Super simple setup for the Honda CBR. Vortex, you know, I didn't have to cut any extra links off of the chain, and everything was set. Does that. does that a lot easier. That was all second gear. That's what, 4 wheelies in a row? Getting a little better. Getting a little better. Not worrying about the, you know, RPMs anymore that much. Just, you know, clutch it, gas, clutch out. That's all. Having fun with it. Trying not to worry about, you know, the sound of it, the if I'm going too high or not, you know.